Renewal by Andersen presents Tales from the Field with Chris.
My tale involves two things I love most: yard work and helping people. One of our design consultants called me about a homeowner who recently purchased our windows. Gerald is a disabled vet who struggles with his lawn maintenance. His grass was 3 to 4 feet high. We knew it bothered Gerald and his wife, and they explained that they were overwhelmed with the amount of work it was. So we offered to help. I'm a lawn junkie. I plan my days off around mowing, so I was excited to put my skills to good use. The next day, 3 of us showed up with mowers and a trimmer. It was slow going at first. We had to empty our bags every 15 feet. But we stuck with it, and 3 hours later, we had it looking great. The homeowners watched us from their back porch, smiling from ear to ear. Now they can truly enjoy the view from their new windows. That's the best part of working with Renewal by Andersen, impacting people with more than just a great window or door. I'm Chris, a Renewal by Andersen sales manager and a lawn legend.